Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our next lecture from the course Affiliate Marketing Hacking, the 5 steps fast track method. In this lecture we will talk about the methods that people use to promote and earn from affiliate offers. Very simple stuff. Now, first of all, I will start with the methods that people use to drive traffic to their offers, website, in order to generate visitors and potential buyers, and finally to be able to sell something as an affiliate. Now, the first method that is still the most common used one from all the affiliates from all around the world is the search engine optimization. So statistically, more than 66% of affiliates use it to drive traffic to their website and offers. Now, you should keep this in mind. Why? Because we will use it. You will see exactly how we will use this method, the search engine optimization method, in our tactics in order to drive traffic to your own affiliate offers. But we will use the fast version of it, okay? For us, it will work very fast because search engine optimization, it's something that most of the people, and in most of the cases, it's something that you do for the mid and long term to drive free organic traffic from the search engines, okay? This can take in some cases up to 6 months, 1 year, or even more to start generating results. But we will use faster version. Okay, the second one, it's leveraging social media platforms. Okay, about 60% of affiliates use social media to drive traffic for their offers, which is quite big. Okay, as you probably know, social media grew a lot and it was like an exponential growth in the last couple of years. Why? Because practically it generates interaction between people. So it's a very good way also to drive traffic to affiliate offers, but we won't concentrate too much on this right now. We will use social media, but you will see for a different purpose. Now, another thing that a lot of people are still using, and in my opinion, it's practically the best for middle and long-term success, is blogging. Okay, about 57% of affiliates use blogging to generate traffic for their affiliate campaigns. Having a long-term strategy and positioning yourself as an expert through blogging has created some of the wealthiest affiliates in the world at the moment. For example, you can check out smartpassiveincome.com with Pat Flynn. It's Pat Flynn's blog. Pat Flynn, it's one of the top earners in the internet services affiliate niche, and you will see more about that on his specific blog. So you should keep this in mind, because in a certain point, in a certain measure, we will be using this too. Okay, blogging. Then we have email marketing. 47% of affiliates use email marketing. A lot of people said in the last couple of years that okay, email marketing is dead, it doesn't work anymore. On the contrary, email marketing is doing better than ever. Combined with blogging for list building, it's your key to push button money on the mid and long term. What does that mean? There are people out there that build a brand for themselves, that have huge email marketing lists, like hundreds of thousands of people, and they just have to send an email and they get commissions like a couple of tens of thousands of dollars, just like that, instantly. That's why a lot of guys are saying that email marketing is practically the push button money technique that you can have. Then there is pay-per-click. Pay-per-click is another very good method. Like about 40%, 29-40% of affiliates use it, and this is the fastest way actually to drive traffic to your offers and maybe to convert people into buyers. But it's also the most risky. Why? Because it involves a financial investment from your part. Okay, it can work or it cannot. You have to do a lot of testing with pay-per-click. There are people out there that are making a lot of money and crushing it with pay-per-click, but you have to test a lot and to be very attentive as to how you are scaling your budgets. Now, how do people actually earn money from affiliate offers? Because we have talked in the beginning, in the introduction lecture, that there are more methods to earn money. Well, most of the affiliates that earn from pay-per-click traffic, okay, that are paying for ads, are using pay-per-lead offers or cost-per-action offers, okay, the type where a visitor enters on an opt-in form or landing page and submits his data. Okay, most of these guys that are using pay-per-click are earning from pay-per-lead offers and CPA offers, and they earn a fixed commission for every visitor that makes a simple action. Okay, for example, subscribing to a form, and I will show you an example of how you can use that too. Okay, of this type of affiliate offers. Okay, the other way, usually affiliates who are using search engine optimization for traffic are earning from forever green offers. Okay, like digital products, like ebooks, courses in different niches, like the loss weight niche, exactly how you see the Venus Factory example, or for physical products with a long lifetime span. Then there are people who are using blogging and email marketing, and they earn usually from promoting different ebooks, courses, but also softwares, memberships, and different other types of products in that particular niche in which they are building their blog and email list. For example, a lot of people are using this in the internet marketing niche, where people are usually almost every single day launching a new software, a new product, and they create like momentum and hype to get sales and to launch a product for a couple of days, maybe weeks, and that's it. They go to the next product after that. So these are the main forms of earning money, okay, from affiliate offers. Now, which are the best marketplaces, the best affiliate marketplaces where you can find, for example, CPA offers, okay, the cost per action offers, where there is maxbounty.com, which actually is the biggest. There is Spearfly.com, Neverblue, ClickBooth, or AdWork Media. This is the websites that I personally recommend you can use and look for some very good offers in order for you to be able to promote them. Then we have mixed marketplaces, okay, which are mostly product-based shops. For example, we have Rakuten Linkshare, which is the largest affiliate network in the world. Most of their partners, okay, most of their vendors, or most of the online shops that you will find here and offers to promote are for physical products, okay, or for services. You won't find so many digital products, but you will find a couple of digital products too. You will find also a couple of CPA offers, but most of them are product based. Then we have Commission Junction, Amazon.com, Avangate.com, eBay, ShareASale, and many others. But these are some examples, and these are the biggest that you can sign up for right away and see exactly what offers they have, what you can promote, and so on. Then we have digital products. For digital products, obviously the largest affiliate network and marketplace in the world, it's clickbank.com, where you can find ebooks, courses, softwares in any type of niche that you could think about. Just have a look on ClickBank and you will be amazed about how many types of products you can find there to promote. Then there is jointventurezoo.com, which is more focused on the internet marketing niche and softwares. Then we have DigiResults, Deal Guardian, and Warrior Plus, which are similar to Joint Venture Zoo. So there are a lot of affiliate marketplaces for you to choose from, for you to find a very good offer to promote and to earn money from. Now, I thank you very much for your attention. I hope this lecture was very helpful for you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send me a message or use the discussion board from the course dashboard, because it might be a question that some other student has, and it would be beneficial for the whole community to get a general answer that would help everybody. And I thank you for that too. And now I wish you bye-bye, all the best, a lot of success, and I will see you guys in the next lecture. Bye-bye, Sorin here.